Welcome to the CMF Clearinghouse tutorial videos. In this video, you'll learn what's available on a CMF details page and why this information is important. For this example, let's search for CMFs on rumble strips. I'll expand the category for roadway and the subcategory for roadway rumble strips. We'll look at the countermeasure for install centerline rumble strips, and we'll inspect the first CMF on that list by clicking on the CMF value. The CMF details page presents all the information about the CMF that was available in the published report or paper. The top of the CMF details page indicates the CMF ID number, the countermeasure name, an additional description of the countermeasure if needed, the prior condition of the sites used in the study, the countermeasure category, and a link to the entry for the study that provides the CMF. Below that is the star rating. This CMF has a 5-star rating, indicating that it's a highly reliable CMF. If you click the link for View Score Details, you can see the scores it received in each of the rating criteria. Below the star rating is the information about the CMF value and the standard error. The CRF, crash reduction factor, is also provided in case you're more familiar with thinking in terms of a percentage reduction in crashes. The section on applicability below that provides the information about the details of the sites used to develop the CMF. This is important since a CMF applies most accurately to sites that are similar to the sites used to develop that CMF. In this case, this CMF would be appropriately applied to estimate the effect of centerline rumble strips on all types of fatal and injury crashes on 2-lane undivided rural roads with a traffic volume range of about 500 to about 20,000 AADT. If your site of interest were different from these characteristics, perhaps you're dealing with a 4-lane road, you would ideally want to find a different CMF that would apply to 4-lane roads. Below the applicability details is a section labeled Development Details that provides further information regarding the data used to develop the CMF. You can see that this researcher used data from 1997 to 2006 to develop this CMF, and it was based on sites in Minnesota, Pennsylvania, and Washington. Additionally, the researcher used an empirical Bayes before-after study design and a large sample of crashes. All of these factors contributed to the high star rating of this CMF. The final section provides information on a few other details, such as whether the CMF is included in the first edition of the Highway Safety Manual and when it was added to the clearinghouse. The final line is a comment area that includes any special notes about the CMF. This CMF has a comment about data collected by the authors. Sometimes the comment area may provide some additional specifics about the crash type or scenario to which the CMF should be applied, such as this CMF is for crashes occurring on weekday evenings. If 2 or more CMFs look identical, make sure to check the comment line for these special notes. Another feature of the CMF details page that may be useful to you is found on the lower right corner. The link for Export PDF will create a PDF of the CMF details page, which may be useful to you for including in a report to document the exact CMF you used for an analysis. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. Please visit www.cmfclearinghouse.org for other helpful videos that illustrate how to use the CMF Clearinghouse.